Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to activate your Sunbucks card. Now, you need to first locate the activation number, which is basically the customer service number on the back of your Sunbucks card, and then you just dial that number and you listen to the automated prompts and you enter the card information. So you'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number, okay, and the date of birth of the eligible child. And then you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN, which basically you'll be using to make purchases. And of course, the system will usually confirm that your card has been successfully activated. And what you can actually do, because some states actually allow for online activation, okay, through their ABT Edge website or a specific state portal. So you come here and just log in and choose your state and begin activating your Sunbox card. It would be that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.